Hello everyone and welcome back to AB Auto Reviews, your trusted channel for in-depth analysis and reviews on everything from the world of mobility to innovations that enhance our lifestyle. Today, we're branching out to take a look at something a little different but incredibly essential: the 2025 home floor plan designs. These are more than just layouts. They represent the way we live, how we interact with space, and how our homes can evolve with us over time. In 2025, home design is seeing a significant shift towards smarter, more adaptable living. Gone are the days of rigid room layouts and closed-off sections. Instead, architects and designers are embracing open floor plans, multifunctional areas, and a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. These changes aren't just about aesthetics. They reflect the changing lifestyles of people who are increasingly working from home, spending more time with family, and valuing comfort and utility. One of the standout features in many 2025 home floor plans is the integration of smart technology right into the blueprint. From the initial design stage, homes are being equipped to support full home automation. This includes lighting systems that adjust based on time of day or presence in the room, smart thermostats that learn your schedule and preferences, and security systems that you can control from your phone. These aren't add-ons anymore, they're foundational to the modern floor plan. Kitchens have always been a central hub in any home, and the 2025 designs take that to the next level. The concept of the kitchen as a social and multifunctional space is more prominent than ever. Open concept kitchens flow into dining and living areas, creating one large communal space. Islands are larger, often incorporating seating, cooking surfaces, and storage, effectively replacing the traditional dining table in some layouts. Materials used are not only aesthetically pleasing but also sustainable, durable, and easy to maintain. The living room is no longer just a space for watching television. In 2025, it's a multifunctional environment designed for relaxation, entertainment, and connectivity. Floor plans emphasize natural light, with large windows, sliding glass doors, and even skylights being common features. These design choices not only reduce the need for artificial lighting but also improve mood and energy levels for residents. The layout encourages flexible furniture arrangements to accommodate everything from movie nights to yoga sessions. Bedrooms have evolved into personal sanctuaries, with 2025 plans emphasizing comfort, privacy, and customization. Master suites often include walk-in closets and ensuite bathrooms that resemble mini spas, complete with soaking tubs, rain showers, and dual vanities. Secondary bedrooms are designed with flexibility in mind, perfect for use as guest rooms, home offices, or hobby spaces. Some floor plans even incorporate sliding walls or fold-away furniture to easily convert a space depending on the day's needs. Bathrooms are getting smarter and more luxurious. Standard features now include touchless faucets, heated floors, and smart mirrors that can display the news or weather while you get ready in the morning. Many layouts separate the toilet from the main bath area for increased privacy and hygiene. Storage solutions are more intelligent too, with built-in shelving and hidden compartments to keep surfaces clutter-free. Home offices are now essential. The 2025 floor plan integrates them into the design rather than as an afterthought. These spaces are placed in quiet zones of the home, with considerations for natural light, acoustics, and connectivity. Built-in desks, soundproof walls, and ergonomic setups are standard, supporting productivity and comfort throughout the workday. Some plans even offer dual offices to accommodate households with more than one remote worker. Another key trend in 2025 is the focus on wellness and sustainability. Floor plans now often include designated areas for exercise, meditation, or even indoor gardens. The use of biophilic design principles brings nature into the home through plant walls, natural materials like wood and stone, and seamless transitions to outdoor living spaces. Energy efficiency is a priority, with solar panel integration, grey water systems, and enhanced insulation all considered during the planning phase. Outdoor spaces are no longer secondary features but integral parts of the floor plan. Covered patios, outdoor kitchens, and even small pools or hot tubs are increasingly common. These areas are designed for year-round use, with weatherproof materials, heating elements, and retractable walls or roofs. The idea is to blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, expanding the usable square footage of the home in a functional and enjoyable way. Storage is smarter and more streamlined in 2025 homes. Walk-in pantries, built-in cabinetry, and under-stair storage maximize every inch of available space. Mudrooms have become a staple in family homes, serving as transition areas from the outdoors with seating, books, and storage for shoes, coats, and bags. Laundry rooms are larger and more efficient, often located near bedrooms to reduce the need for hauling clothes up and down stairs. Flex spaces are one of the most exciting innovations in modern floor planning. These are rooms without a fixed purpose, allowing homeowners to adapt to their current needs, whether that be a playroom, an art studio, or an extra bedroom. These areas make homes more resilient and better suited to the changing dynamics of modern family life. Accessibility is another growing concern. Floor plans are increasingly designed with universal design principles in mind, making homes more livable for people of all ages and abilities. Wider doorways, step-free entries, and barrier-free showers are just a few examples. This makes the home more accommodating not just for residents but also for guests or future changes in mobility. One interesting innovation is the use of modular and prefabricated elements in floor plans. This allows for faster construction, reduced waste, and more precise designs. Walls and rooms can be added or adjusted more easily, making future renovations simpler and more cost-effective. This flexibility is a huge asset in a world where needs and family dynamics can change rapidly. Energy flow and feng shui are being considered more in floor plan designs. Positioning of doors, windows, and rooms aim to enhance the harmony within the home. Some designers even consult with specialists to ensure that the layout promotes positive energy and well-being. These spiritual and cultural considerations are becoming more mainstream as homeowners look for deeper connections to their living spaces. Neighborhood integration is another factor that impacts floor plans. Homes are being designed not just in isolation but as part of a community fabric. This means optimizing views, creating front porches or social entryways that encourage neighborly interaction, and even planning home orientation for better privacy or sunlight. Developers are thinking more holistically about how a floor plan fits into the broader environment. Garages and utility spaces have also evolved. In 2025, garages are often multi-use spaces designed for vehicles, storage, and hobbies. Some even come with electric vehicle charging stations pre-installed. Utility rooms are more than just laundry zones. They include space for tools, seasonal storage, or even pet care. Stations. Kids' spaces are receiving more attention in floor plans as well. These aren't just bedrooms, but areas designed for play, study, and growth. Built-in desks, climbing walls, and shared study rooms are becoming standard in homes designed with families in mind. Safety and adaptability are key, with materials and layouts that grow with the child over time. For multi-generational living, the 2025 floor plans offer some of the best innovations. Separate living quarters within the same home, such as in-law suites with private entrances and full bathrooms, offer privacy and independence while keeping loved ones close. This type of layout is especially beneficial for caregiving families or those looking to create more communal living environments. Sound management is a critical consideration. Acoustic zoning ensures that loud areas like kitchens and media rooms don't interfere with quiet zones like bedrooms and offices. This is achieved through insulation, smart placement of rooms, and use of sound-absorbing materials. It creates a more peaceful and functional living environment for everyone in the household. The 2025 home floor plans also account for climate resilience. Designs are now considering natural disasters, energy outages, and changing weather patterns. Elevated foundations, backup generators, storm-resistant windows, and efficient drainage systems are increasingly part of the standard offering. These features ensure homes are safer and more prepared for whatever the future holds. To sum it all up, the 2025 home floor plans are all about flexibility, intelligence, and a human-centered approach. They reflect how our needs have changed and how our homes must evolve to meet them. Whether you're looking to build, buy, or renovate, understanding these new trends will help you make smarter choices for the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe to AB Auto Reviews. We will continue bringing you the latest in innovation, design, and lifestyle enhancements that make a difference in your everyday life. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Here's your 1800-word YouTube video script in English for a 2025 home floor plan review, starting with the AB Auto Reviews intro and ending with a subscription reminder. Let me know if you'd like a Thai version or a shorter summary.